Merak etme. Evet. Bunlar ne kadar yiyeceğim mi? Yiyeyim. Duble. Hepsi iri. Tatlı. Türkler pek bilmez.
Yani bizim atıyorum sirke döktüğümüz gibi, ne bileyim limon suyu döktüğümüz gibi.
Salata tarzı çok şey yapılmıyor ama. Yani bilmiyorum. Biz
You like calamari?
It's calamari. It's Christmas Eve in Turkey, and I thought I would be looking for Christmas things, but instead I've been brought to this brilliant market where I've already found quite a lot of Iranian stuff to my delight. Dry persimmons are my favourite, and these, I had these in Iran, like a dried mulberry, I think. That's never a mango. Look at the size of this mango. Oh my word.
İstersen git.
What is it?
Var. Ada çayı var.
Tea.
Ada çayı.
Oh, same with this.
Looks like meth.
Different styles.
I know, that's true. I know خیلی گرفت. چیزا رو خیلی دید.
Sizin anda abi nerede?
بگید پولش رو بتونه
It's like the sour popping thing you get in candy, but without the rest of the candy. Turkish sweets. Oh. Teşekkürler. Wow. That's the dry persimmon. And these are the walnuts on friction. I love these. Dried persimmon. First Christmassy thing I've seen.
Bakar mısın abla?
Ben bak.
Daha iyi.
Kapağı bunu koyuyoruz.
Sen doğru değil.
Garlic.
Oh wow. That is, you peeled and pickled that all yourself? Whoa.
Because we don't have Turkish all of them, just some Thai. So I decided to make like Iran.
Yeah.
Actually around 12 to your recipe or not.
Yeah. Proper Iranian saffron. What's this called?
Kıyme bademcan.
It's Gino Badamjan. I love Gino Badamjan.
It is.
Saffron and Iranian rice all over the world. It's really expensive.
It's the best. I'd had a great stay with my new Iranian friends, but it was sunset on Christmas Eve already and I wasn't feeling remotely Christmassy yet, but I had heard of the Christmas market on the rooftop of a shopping centre. How much is the sunset?
50.
Okay, feeling a bit Christmassy now. This isn't the most cheerful Christmas song to depart with, but at least I'm feeling a little bit festive now. I'd searched high and low and there were very few Christmassy options, but I had found a hostel that offered some sort of promise of a Christmassy vibe. It looks Christmassy.
Taiwanese.
Merry Christmas!
Everyone's made a dish from their own country and I arrived late, but I have Vegemite.
Okay, can I join this?
Mr. Paul is
It doesn't matter what nationalities we are, whether our countries are warring with each other or not. All that matters is we're human beings. What prevails is the goodness of the human spirit.
Yes, you're right.
Right, we're more warm than the cold out there.
Oh.
Okay, now eat your food.
That's
Okay, that's fine.
Merry Christmas!
Take dumplings, put there. This is the traditional Russian way to eat.
Moroccan tagine, Taiwanese chicken soup, Russian palmemi, and Vegemite. Christmas away from home is always a little bit of a tricky time for me. It's the one time of year I can expect to get homesick pretty reliably. So I always put things in place to try and make sure that I have a nice Christmas, including these winter markets in Turkey. And I'm on my way now to eat Christmas lunch. Got my Christmas tunes in. I'm surrounded by what looks to me to be Christmas iconography, but in the case of Turkey is Happy New Year festive decorations. I can see snow. It's a white Christmas in Turkey. Cheers. I've got to stop by the tree. The Christmas music means I'll probably have to delete all the sound from this. So far so good. House wine is better than any wine I normally drink. Cheers, Merry Christmas. Starting Aussie with prawn and avo cocktail. Turkish take on Christmas dinner. I've got turkey, I've got stuffing, I've got potatoes, and if I'm not very much mistaken, I don't know where they found sprouts. I haven't seen them. Amazing. I can only afford to splurge like this because of Melissa and Paulie, who PayPal'd me a couple of weeks back. So, oh my God, guys, thank you so much for allowing me to have this fancy Christmas dinner. I'm very, very grateful indeed. Thank you. While I listen to the call to prayer, I've just been served my Christmas pudding. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Until one mouthful ago, I thought the most Christmassy taste on earth was the 1.5 Brussels sprouts I just ate. But no, it's Christmas pudding. Oh my God, brilliant. Coffee and a mince pie.